maraming pagsubok. Hindi lahat ng plano at pangarap mo ay nasusunod at nagkakatotoo. Lahat ng pinagdasal ninyo, nagkatotoo ba? Hindi. Life is difficult. Mahirap talaga. Basahin niyo yung Biblia. Si Moses died before he reached Promised Land. Si Elijah had depression. Si Job, he's a faithful, obedient servant of the Lord. He lost all his possessions. He lost all his family members except his wife. Na-imagine nyo yun? Lahat mga anak mo nawala, ang natira pa yung asawa mo. Diba? Umalas talaga ni Job. But kidding aside, nawala lahat sa kanya. Life is difficult. And even Jesus, God Himself, who became man, suffered the most horrible death. The Bible does not sugarcoat the fact that life is difficult. At alam ko ito, after many years of serving God, more than 20 years na po ako nagsisilbi sa Panginoon, here's my realization. Your faithfulness and obedience does not exempt you from life's tragedies. Maraming mga Kristiyano ang ganyan. Ang feeling lang, hoy, pag nag-serve ka kay Lord, talagang mabibless ka. Totoo naman yun. Mabibless ka. Pero hindi ka exempted sa suffering ng buhay. Sa tragedy ng buhay. How do I know this? Na hindi tayo exempted. Kasi ganun din nangyari sa buhay ko. Sa 20 years ko nagsaserve kay Lord, lagi ako nagsaserve. Alam nyo, hindi ako exempted sa mga problema. Ilang beses ako, I hit rock bottom in my life. In fact, right now, I'm currently recovering from my depression that lasted for almost a year last year. And take note ha, I'm reading my Bible, I'm faithfully serving the Lord, week in, week out, hindi ako nag-a-absent dito sa feast natin. Every week nagsaserve ako, nagtutok ako dito. I'm faithfully tithing and giving generously to God. And yet, naloko pa rin ako. Na-estafa, nalugi ng malaki, nagkamali, bagsak. Pero alam nyo, ito, buti na lang, paano ko naka-recover? I talk to some business friends of mine, lalo na yung mga feasters. Lagi sinasabi sa akin, bro, nawalan ka ng pera. Ganun talagang buhay negosyante. Hindi palaging panalo. May time na nalulugi. Pero itong mahalaga, sabi niya, hindi ka titigil. Nung na-realize ko, natauhan ako, sabi ko, oo nga, I began to pick up myself, then I started working again with renewed hope in my heart. Anong sabi ko? Lord, tama na iyak. Trabaho na ako ulit. And then I began to accept that problems and pains are really part of our lives, but I must not stop. Bakit? Kasi hindi pa tapos ang Diyos sa akin.